Here are 10 topics that are currently trending and could be interesting to explore. 1. Artificial intelligence and its impact on society. This topic delves into the potential benefits and risks of AI, including its impact on jobs, healthcare, education, and ethics. 2. Climate change and sustainability. Explore the latest scientific findings on climate change, its effects on the environment, and potential solutions to mitigate its impact. 3. Mental health awareness. This topic focuses on the importance of mental health, reducing stigma, and promoting mental well-being. 4. Space exploration and colonization. Discuss the latest advancements in space technology, the possibility of human colonization on other planets, and the future of space travel. 5. Cybersecurity and data privacy. Explore the growing threats of cyber attacks, the importance of data protection, and strategies to safeguard personal information. 6. The future of work. Analyze the impact of automation and AI on the job market, the rise of remote work, and the skills needed for future careers. 7. The role of social media in society. Discuss the positive and negative impacts of social media on individuals and society, including its influence on politics, culture, and mental health. 8. The ethics of biotechnology. Explore the ethical implications of genetic engineering, gene editing, and other advancements in biotechnology. 9. The global refugee crisis. Examine the causes of displacement, the challenges faced by refugees, and international efforts to address the crisis. 10. The rise of e-commerce. Analyze the growth of online shopping, its impact on traditional retail, and the future of consumer behavior. These are just a few ideas to get you started. You can further narrow down your topic by considering your interests and the specific angle you want to take. Here are 10 more topics related to generative AI. 1. Ethical implications of generative AI. Bias and fairness in AI models, misinformation and deepfakes, intellectual property rights and copyright issues, job displacement, and economic impact. 2. Generative AI in education, personalized learning experiences, AI-powered tutoring systems, automated content creation, e.g., essays, reports, ethical considerations in AI-assisted education. 3. Generative AI in healthcare, drug discovery and development, medical image analysis and diagnosis, personalized medicine and treatment plans, ethical considerations in AI-assisted healthcare. 4. Generative AI in creative industries, AI-generated art, music and literature design, automation and optimization, virtual and augmented reality experiences, ethical considerations in AI-generated creativity. 5. Generative AI and the future of work, automation of routine tasks, new job opportunities in AI development and maintenance, the need for AI literacy and upskilling, ethical considerations in AI-driven workforce changes. 6. Generative AI and climate change, AI-powered climate modeling and prediction, optimization of energy consumption and renewable energy sources, AI-driven solutions for sustainable agriculture and urban planning, ethical considerations in AI-assisted climate action. 7. Generative AI and cybersecurity, AI-powered cybersecurity solutions, e.g., threat detection, intrusion prevention, ethical hacking, and AI-driven vulnerability assessment, AI-powered cyber attacks and defense strategies, ethical considerations in AI-assisted cybersecurity. 8. Generative AI and privacy, privacy concerns in AI data collection and usage, AI-powered privacy-preserving technologies, ethical considerations in AI-driven privacy solutions. 9. Generative AI and social justice, AI-powered tools for social good, e.g., disaster response, humanitarian aid, AI-driven solutions for reducing inequality and discrimination, ethical considerations in AI-assisted social justice initiatives. 10. The future of generative AI, emerging trends and advancements in generative AI, potential breakthroughs and limitations, ethical considerations for future AI development. Here are some topics on the future of generative AI. Technical advancements. Multimodal AI. Exploring the integration of text, image, and audio modalities for more comprehensive and creative AI systems. Real-time generation. Developing models capable of generating content in real time, enabling dynamic and interactive applications. AI. Enhanced human creativity. How AI can be used as a tool to augment human creativity rather than replace it. Ethical AI development. Addressing the ethical implications of AI, including bias, misinformation, and job displacement. Industry applications. Healthcare. AI-powered drug discovery, medical image analysis, and personalized treatment plans. Education. Personalized learning experiences, AI-powered tutoring systems, and automated content creation. Creative industries. AI-generated art, music, and literature, as well as design automation and optimization. Climate change. AI-powered climate modeling, renewable energy optimization, and sustainable urban planning. Societal impact. Job market disruption. The impact of AI on the job market, including job displacement and the creation of new roles. Digital divide. Ensuring equitable access to AI technology and its benefits. Privacy and security. Protecting user privacy and data security in an AI-driven world. Global collaboration. International cooperation on AI standards, regulations, and ethical guidelines. Beyond the basics, AI and consciousness. Exploring the philosophical implications of AI and the nature of consciousness. AI and the singularity. Discussing the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence and its implications for society. AI and existential risk. Assessing the risks posed by advanced AI, such as unintended consequences and malicious use. By exploring these topics, we can gain a better understanding of the potential benefits and challenges of generative AI and work towards a future where AI is used for the betterment of humanity. AI, a breath of fresh air for pollution reduction. Artificial intelligence, AI is revolutionizing various sectors, and environmental conservation is no exception. Here's how AI is being used to combat air pollution. 1. Real-time air quality monitoring. Sensor networks. AI can optimize the placement of air quality sensors to maximize coverage and accuracy. Data analysis. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data from these sensors to identify pollution hotspots and trends. Predictive modeling. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, AI can predict future air quality levels, allowing for proactive measures. 2. Optimizing transportation. Traffic management. AI-powered traffic management systems can reduce congestion, leading to lower emissions. Smart cities. AI can optimize public transportation routes and schedules, encouraging the use of public transit over private vehicles. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars can reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and potentially lead to a shift towards electric vehicles. 3. Industrial efficiency. Predictive maintenance. AI can predict equipment failures in industries, reducing unplanned downtime and energy consumption. Process optimization. AI algorithms can optimize industrial processes to minimize waste and emissions. Energy efficiency. AI can identify energy-saving opportunities in industrial operations, leading to reduced energy consumption and lower emissions. 4. Enhancing renewable energy. Solar and wind power. AI can optimize the placement and operation of renewable energy systems, maximizing energy output. Energy grid management. AI can help balance the grid by predicting energy demand and optimizing energy distribution. 5. Policy and decision-making. Data-driven policy. AI can analyze large datasets to inform effective environmental policies. Risk assessment. AI can assess the environmental impact of different policies and projects. Public awareness. AI-powered tools can raise public awareness about air pollution and its health effects. By harnessing the power of AI, we can significantly reduce air pollution and create a cleaner, healthier planet. Would you like to delve deeper into a specific application of AI in air pollution reduction? Let's delve deeper into AI's role in real-time air quality monitoring. Real-time air quality monitoring with AI. As we've discussed, AI is revolutionizing how we monitor and mitigate air pollution. Here's a more detailed look at how AI-powered systems work to provide accurate real-time air quality data. 1. Sensor network optimization. Strategic placement. AI algorithms analyze factors like population density, industrial activity, and meteorological conditions to determine the optimal locations for air quality sensors. Adaptive sensor networks. AI can dynamically adjust the sensitivity and frequency of sensor readings based on real-time pollution levels and changing environmental conditions. 2. Data processing and analysis. Noise reduction. AI techniques like machine learning and deep learning can filter out noise and interference in sensor data, improving accuracy. Anomaly detection. AI algorithms can identify unusual patterns in air quality data, indicating potential pollution incidents or equipment malfunctions. Data fusion. AI can integrate data from multiple sources, such as satellite imagery, weather forecasts, and traffic data, to create a more comprehensive picture of air quality. 3. Predictive modeling, forecasting air quality. AI models can predict future air quality levels based on historical data, current conditions, and meteorological forecasts. Early warning systems. By anticipating pollution spikes, authorities can issue early warnings to the public and take preventive measures. 4. Citizen science and community engagement. Crowdsourced data. AI can analyze data collected from citizen scientists using low-cost air quality sensors, enhancing the spatial and temporal resolution of air quality monitoring. Interactive maps and apps. AI-powered apps can provide real-time air quality information to citizens, empowering them to make informed decisions about outdoor activities and exposure to pollutants. Real-world applications. Several cities and regions around the world are already leveraging AI-powered air quality monitoring systems. Beijing, China. The city has implemented a sophisticated air quality monitoring system that uses AI to analyze data from thousands of sensors, predict pollution levels, and inform public health advisories. Los Angeles, USA. The South Coast Air Quality Management District, AQMD, uses AI to analyze air quality data and develop strategies to reduce pollution. Delhi, India. The Delhi government has deployed AI-powered air quality monitoring systems to track pollution levels and take measures to improve air quality. By continuously improving these AI-driven systems, we can work towards cleaner air and healthier communities. Would you like to explore another aspect of AI's role in environmental conservation, such as its application in renewable energy or climate change mitigation?